Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an extremely delicious dessert recipe called SUJI Ki Phirni or Semolina Phirni. By adding additional milk, you can thin it a bit, but since it's a phirni, I'm going to make it a little thicker version. Hope you like the recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. We need about half a cup of semolina, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of whole milk. You can use any dry fruits. I have used some raisins here, some cardamom powder, and about 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Put the flame to medium-high and put a wok over it. And about 2 teaspoons of clarified butter. Usually in any dessert there is a lot of fat used, but I've made sure to use less this time and just used about 2 teaspoons of ghee. Spread the ghee across, and once it's hot enough, go ahead and add the half cup of semolina. Now we have to roast it until its color changes and it gives a nice aroma. Saute it well. You'll have to mix it every now and then to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom, as well as roast evenly throughout. So on a medium flame, it will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's roasted, add 1 cup of water to the semolina. Next up, add the 1/4 cup of sugar to this mixture. Start mixing it and break all the lumps that may have formed. So this will take about a few minutes, so keep mixing it and breaking all the lumps. It's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes and the mixture has come to a boil. Now we'll add the 2 cups of milk. After adding the milk, give it a good mix. Now add the dry fruits that you like. So I have used some raisins here. Keep stirring the mixture in between. Now if you like, you can add some kesar strands. They impart nice color, but these are optional. Now one of the key ingredients is this pinch of salt. For any dessert recipe, adding that little bit of salt kind of balances out the sweet flavor evenly. So always make sure you add like a pinch of salt in any of your dessert recipes. In about 4 to 5 minutes, the mixture starts boiling. Keep stirring it every now and then. Slowly it will start to thicken up a little bit. Cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, stirring in between. Let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes and keep stirring in between. Let's check the consistency. You do notice that it has become nice and thick, the exact consistency that we like for our phirni. So now it's ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. I will take it out in a serving bowl. It can be served warm or cold, so if you like cold, just put it in the refrigerator for some time and then you can serve it. I'm garnishing it with some silver toppings, but you can use any toppings that you like. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.